May pagbabago ba sa pangangatawan mo? Have you ever felt that your body has been slowly started changing at walang pwede mag-explain kung bakit? Not overnight, just small shifts that kept adding up. Your stamina drops, yung gutom mo, ibang level. Weight becomes stubborn in places na ayaw mo. Yung cycle begins to lose its rhythm. And if you've been diagnosed with PCOS, these experiences can feel more overwhelming. You start wondering if the body is simply out of sync. But eto ang katotohanan na hindi alam o na-discover ng mga kababaihan. PCOS can sometimes reflect a challenge in how the body handles insulin and regulates blood glucose. When that internal balance stays disrupted for years, it may gradually increase and possible develop to type 2 diabetes. Not suddenly, pero tahimik, subalit araw-araw tuloy-tuloy. Your body doesn't change without reason. Often, it's asking for attention. If this message feels familiar to you, comment guide or send me a DM. Let's talk about supporting your hormones and metabolic health. This is Nurse Verlaine, your health advocate queen saying, your future deserves your attention today.